Looking to deposit Bitcoin into your Robinhood account? It's a straightforward process. First, open your Robinhood app on iOS or Android and navigate to the Crypto tab. Select Bitcoin from the list of cryptocurrencies. Next, tap the Transfer button, then choose Deposit from Wallet. This will generate your unique Bitcoin wallet address, displayed as both a QR code and a text string. Remember, as of late 2025, Robinhood is a leading retail crypto platform with over 23 million active users. Keep in mind that Robinhood does not support direct fiat to crypto purchases for BTC deposits. You'll need to transfer existing BTC holdings. Deposits typically confirm within 10 to 30 minutes on the Bitcoin network. After confirmation, your BTC will appear in your Robinhood account. Robinhood mandates identity verification for deposits over $1,000 to comply with regulations. Robinhood primarily focuses on buying and selling within the platform. Direct BTC withdrawals to external wallets aren't supported for most users. While Robinhood doesn't charge deposit fees, you'll still need to pay network fees when transferring from another wallet. For security, enable two-factor authentication and avoid sharing your address publicly. Remember, your BTC wallet address is a unique identifier, similar to a bank account number, used to receive funds on the Bitcoin blockchain.